Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to pair a new remote to your SkyQ box. First, make sure your SkyQ box is turned on. You should be able to see a picture on your TV screen. Now take your new SkyQ remote and press and hold the buttons numbered 1 and 3 at the same time. Keep holding them for a few seconds. Watch the light on the remote. When it flashes, this means the remote is trying to connect to the SkyQ box. Look at your TV screen. You should now see instructions appear. Follow the steps shown on the screen to finish pairing the remote. During this process, you may be asked to select the brand of your TV. Use the arrow buttons on the remote to choose the correct TV brand. Then test the volume buttons. If the volume changes on your TV, the remote is paired correctly. If nothing happens, press the home button on the SkyQ remote. Go to Settings, then choose Setup. Select Remote Control and follow the on-screen steps to pair your remote. If your remote still does not connect, you may need to reset it. To reset the remote, press and hold the 7 and 9 buttons together. Keep holding until the light on the remote flashes 4 times. This clears old settings. After that, repeat the pairing steps by pressing and holding the 1 and 3 buttons again. This is how you pair a new remote to your SkyQ box. Thanks for watching.